Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Those of you who don't know me, my name is Thalia Reyes and welcome. So before we get on to the video, I would like to say to all of you girls and guys, thank you guys so much for checking out my channel, leaving great comments, liking, supporting my channel. It really means a lot to me for a beginner YouTuber. So I really want to thank you guys so much because it really means a lot to me. Not only that, but I feel like very proud of myself because not only the comments that you guys been leaving, but it makes me want to do more and more videos and to show you guys my tips and everything that I would like to post videos about. One more thing, I would like to say all of you YouTubers out there, and the people who've been supporting me and all my subscribers and everyone, I want to say never give up, ignore the bad comments, the negative comments. All of you guys been doing a fabulous job. I love watching everyone's YouTubes. It gives us great ideas, tips, how to apply makeup, what's the best skincare. Not only that, but when you guys vlog, it's just so interesting when you guys are vlogging. I want to do it myself, but I want to get a little practice on it to vlog and show you my personal life, what I'm doing, where I love shopping, what I'm eating, just to take you guys along with me. But yeah, so don't give up guys, you guys are doing a fabulous job. Keep it up, I'll support all of you guys, but just ignore the bad comments, negative. So I know you guys are all doing a great job because I know everyone's doing a fabulous job. I love it watching your YouTube channel, guys. So that's why I'm here, subscribing, liking, checking it out. Ooh, this is so interesting. Ooh, look at the products, because we're learning, we're getting more ideas, and it's just that's how I started, by looking at your channels, how to apply eyeshadow and how to what's the best skincare products. But yeah, so never give up guys, because you guys are doing a great job and I'm proud of you guys, and I'll support your channel and we'll be here and there for each other. So let's get on to the video, guys. My coffee, iced coffee from, this is Coffee Bean, and this is Vegas Strong, and this is vanilla iced coffee. So I was craving for coffee and I just wanted to stop by real quick and then just here chit chat with you guys about a skincare product that I just recently purchased from Sephora. So I went in Sephora and I walked in there and I was looking for what skincare product is good, because I want to look for something for the morning routine, because I am using for a night routine products. But I walked in there and the first thing that caught my attention was Drunk Elephant. The brand, the name of it, Drunk Elephant. It caught my attention, was like, that's a very odd brand name, Drunk Elephant. So I was looking at their products and everything, and I read it and it says all skin types, and I was like, okay, that sounds good. It has a vitamin C and all those kind of things, and hydrates and stuff. And this young lady approached to me and said, are you finding everything okay? I said, yeah, I am, and actually just want to know like how looks good, like any good reviews, or do you recommend this skin product? Just like it all depends on the person, what kind of skin they have. It might work for them, it may not. It all depends on you. So she recommended me to start with the duo kit because honestly the prices were like outrageous, but I totally get it, maybe it might be a good product. But she asked me to start with this dual kit. So this is Drunk Elephant. It's the Rise Plus Glow. It comes with a little can, and when you open it, it comes 2 little products, and I believe this retails for $23, and this size, for regular size, is 80 bucks, I'm pretty sure it's 80 bucks. And this one with the blue cap, this one retails for 54.56. So she recommended me to start with the dual kit, see if I like it. If I do, I can purchase the regular size, which is a great idea. And I didn't know they had a dual kit, like a little kit that comes with it, you know, just to try it, see if you like it. So some products I like it when it comes like a sample or like a travel size, or you know, a dual kit, just to see if you like it. If you like it, you can always buy it in the future. So I thought that was actually a great idea. So let's start with this one. So let me just read the can real quick. So it says, is a daily dose of vitamins for your face. So, which is this one right here is a C Forma. This one's the day serum. This one is 27 ounce, which looks like this. And so it's day, that's what I'm looking for. It's like a morning, you can apply it in the morning, and you know, it goes along with the day. Just to use in the morning, that's what I'm looking for in the morning. Immediately after cleansing, apply evenly to clean and dry face, neck, chest, and backs of hands. So which is back of your hand. I thought that's really cool. So before applying this, you need to cleanse out your face with a face wash or whatever. Apply it. You have to use some kind of like product, like cleansing, like to wash your face. I just bought a new bottle because the other one went gone quickly. I use this every morning when I wake up, guys. Go straight to the bathroom, and the first thing I do is I use this Clean and Clear Morning Burst facial cleanser, and it's oil free and with bursting beads, wakes you up, rinse clean with vitamin C. So this is my all-time favorite, guys. I've been using this for like quite a while, but I do want to change it up a little bit just to try out new products. You know, I love it and I'm still using it, but this is what you need of cleanser just to clean up your face and wash it before you apply this product right here. So that's what I use in the morning, just to let you know what I use. So then after you apply the C Forma, which is the little orange bottle, you are going to apply the B Hydra and intensive hydration gel. And this one is like pineapple caramel. This one is the same thing, applied to your face. It plays needing increased hydration and moisturizer. So it's really nice. So it's like a hydration gel, something where it's like where it needs to be. It says is a shot of vitamin B hydration that quenches dry, thirsty skin. So it's more like for a dry, where you normally have dry skin. So my skin is so dry, and when it says dry, it's like it's for me, but it's all skin types, which is really good. Honestly, when I first apply it, this, it felt really good, but I feel like I need to put more than one pump because it doesn't like apply the whole entire face. So I need to apply more, and it's just like it doesn't really cover the whole face. So you do need to apply, it depends on the person, but I do need to apply more than 2 pumps. Use 1 pump, which is, it covers the whole face. It feels great, it feels cool and fresh, but it doesn't make my skin very dry, which is really good. And I really like this so much, like it's really great. Plus I only have to use 1 pump, which is 1 pump covers my whole face. So I've been using the Rise and Glow Duo just for like 10 days, and it's both with C Forma and B Hydro. There are amazing products that actually do what they claim to do. My skin tone is very brighter now. The lines are like, you know how when you apply makeup you like see lines and everything. When I apply this products right here, I take Theodore, my puppy, out for a walk. I come back, I put on my makeup, and you know how at the end of the day you see like lines on like under like where you apply your concealer, just like lines right here. Looks very like weird. I haven't seen the lines lately, and I'm so amazed about it. It's just, I feel like it's working for me, and it feels very great. And I like how it feels. It feels so hydrate, you know, more moisture, brighter my skin. So I thought it's really nice because it's actually working for me. Not only that, but it delivers powerful and brighter replenishing intentional hydration, and also it's very like it glows every day. Your face is glowy every day. When you apply it, it glows, it's brighter, it's nice, it's not very sticky. Guys, to try it out, it's all it's only $23 for the dual kit, but I really like how it feels on my skin. Next product I got is Josie MARAN, and this one is a pure oil. Is 100% actually, and I recently got this and I tested it out. I tried it with my makeup because after I apply those products, I apply like 2 drops and before I apply my makeup. But this is how the bottle looks like. It's really is I think this is like $18, and the bigger size like 46. I'm not so sure, but I did got this at Sephora as well. The lady who helped me out recommended me this because I was looking for something for the day, also to apply it with my makeup. But I apply this on my skin. It feels actually amazing, and it feels great. Not only that, but when I apply it and I apply my makeup, I feel like the lines are not even showing. Like, it's really great on my skin, even brighter, glowy than ever. It's just super amazing. Yeah, so, and I think it says clinically proven to improve skin hydration. Okay, smoothest and visibly reduce coarse lines and wrinkles. So lines, and it actually does work, guys. It works for me because not only that, but I feel like the lines are disappearing. I've used this for 10 days and it works super well. This one I apply it with my makeup, and normally I see like lines when you smile. You can see like the lines on your makeup. It looks terrible. It looks terrible. But it says in just 4 weeks, 83% of users said their skin felt and looked more supple, radiant, and smooth. So I've been using this for a week and it does feel smooth. But other than that, I haven't seen any, like, I haven't seen the lines, maybe because this was working really good. But radiant, I'm pretty sure. Smooth, yes, definitely. So I really like this, and it makes it really great. I suggest you to try this. And these dual kits from Drunk Elephant. So far, these products are my favorites, and they're what I put on in the morning, every day in the morning. It works so fine. But other than that, they're just really great. I'm not disappointed with the products. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I hope it helped you. I hope you get to try these products. Try the dual kit first and see how it turns out for you. For me personally, it worked really good. Made my face even brighter than ever. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you are new. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!